Ndewo nwa. Hello students. Afa m bụ Nkiruka. Abụ m onye nkuzi Igbo. My name is Nkiruka and I'm a teacher of the Igbo language. Abụ m otu onye nkuzi Language and Culture Hub. I am one of the teachers of the Language and Culture Hub. Language and Culture Hub nwere ezigbota ndị nkuzi. The Language and Culture Hub has a collection of lovely teachers. So you are blessed. So today we're going to be talking about the household. Your family tree, who is who. And you're able to introduce them. Ta, anyị ga na-akụzi, aga m akụziri gị maka Ezinaulo. Onye bụ onye, kedu otu ha si wee gbasaa gị. Daalụnụ. Ngwanụ ka anyị ga-ebido ugbu nna. Nna is father. Say it after me. Nna. Nna. The next one we'll learn is nne. Nne is mother. Say it after me. Nne. Nne. Nne is mother. The next one we'll learn is nwa. Nwa is child. Say it after me. Nwa. 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 Next one we'll learn is umu. Umu is children. Plural of nwa. Umu. Say it after me. Umu. Umu. Next one we'll learn is nwoke. Nwoke is boy or man. Nwoke. 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 Nwanyi. Nwanyi is a girl, a woman. Nwanyi. 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 Husband. D is wife. Nwunye. 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 So, now we've learned the different elements. No, let me add this one. There's also ogo. Ogo is in-law. Ogo. Ogo. Now let's begin to put those words together. Remember, we've learned father, mother, child, husband, wife, in-law, girl, boy. I want you to see how we're going to put them together to be able to describe your relationships with people. Ogo, in-law. Ogo nwanyi, a female in-law. Ogo nwoke, male in-law. If I mutabo, nwa, nne, nna, ogo, nwunye, di. Anyị ga-atụkọta ya afa ka anyị wee mara onye bụ ikwu na ibe gị. Ngwana. So, think about it. The child of your mother is what? Your sibling. Nwa, nne, nwoke, brother. Nwa, nne, nwoke, brother. Nwa, nne, nwanyi, sister. Nwa, nne, nwanyi. Nwa, nne, nwanyi. How do we do grandfather? Nna. Grandfather. But when I say nna, father's father. Nna. Grandfather, paternal grandfather. Nna. And if it was maternal grandfather, it would be nne. Nne. Maternal grandfather. Nne. Try and put them together and try and make sense with them. Uncle is either nwanne, maternal uncle, nwanne, paternal uncle, nwanne, nna. Are you putting them together? Are you understanding? Nwanne, sibling. Either your sibling or your father's sibling or even your friend's sibling. But sibling is one name. So the next word after it describes how that sibling is related. So if it's your friend's siblings, one name Enyi. We haven't taught you Enyi. Enyi is friend. Enyi is friend. Enyi. Enyi. And how do we describe cousin? Nwa, nwanne, nne. Paternal cousin. Nwa, nwanne, nne. Nwa, nwanne, nne. Paternal cousin. Nwa, nwanne, nna. Nwa, nwanne, nna. Paternal cousin. Very good. Excellent. Are you putting the pieces together? Well done. Right. If it's a woman's father-in-law, she'll say nna dim. Nna dim. If it's a male father-in-law, you say nna nwunyem. Nna nwunyem. You can see I'm adding mo. Mo is mine when you are personalizing it. There are other elements in the family relationship. One of them is when you start to describe in terms of hierarchy of who is who. Famous one is Ada. Ada is the first daughter. Very important in Igbo language. Ada. And the first son is called Okpara. 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 Okpara is the first son. Very important in the Igbo culture and land. First child. Nwambo. Nwambo. Nwa is the child. Mbo, first. Nwambo. Nwa, mbo, first child. The last child also. Nwa ikpe azu. Nwa ikpe azu. Nwa child, ikpe azu, the last one. Ikpe azu, the last one. Nwa ikpe azu. Your neighbors are called Ndibe. Ndibe. As you have neighbors, friendly ones, you've also got enemies. People that are considered enemies are Ndiro. 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 There are also some stages in the life of stages of life. A young child is known. Remember, a girl is called Mwanye, but a small child is Mwata Mwanye. Mwata Mwanye. So the Mwata is saying as a small girl. Mwata Mwanye. Same for the boy. Mwata Mwoke. Small boy. Mwata Mwoke. But just like in every language, it's in relationship to the ages of the people. So I could still be Mwata Mwanye to a more elderly person. Mwata Mwanye. For a young man that is growing also, call them Nwa Okorobia. Nwa Okorobia. It's a young man. Nwa Okorobia. And then for a woman, they'll say Nwa Agbobia. Nwa Agbobia. For a young woman, Nwa Agbobia. And the man will be Nwoke, the full-blown woman, matured, Nwanye. An elderly woman sometimes it refers to Agadi Nwanye. Agadi Nwanye. And the Agadi there refers to elderly. Agadi Nwanye. And if it's for a man also, the Agadi Nwoke. Agadi Nwoke. So go back to grandfather. Some people say Papa Nuku. Papa Nuku. Grandfather. Mama Nuku. Mama Nuku. Nuku here means older, bigger. I hope you've enjoyed today's class. I've totally enjoyed getting this class ready for you. Anyị ga-afụ ụbọchị ọzọ ka o mesịa na-amụkwa Igbo. Daalụ Igbo amaka. I'll see you next class. Keep practicing. You can't just learn and not practice. Keep practicing. See you next time. Daalụ no. Kachifo ka o mesịa.